はい、皆さん、こんにちは。尾形です。今日も漢字を勉強していきましょう。今日は4つ漢字を勉強します。So we are going to learn 4 kanjis today. Okay, the first one is okay, yama. Yama. Okay, 1 and then 2. This is 2, okay? This one, just one stroke, okay? Second stroke.Then 3. That's it. So 3 strokes. And look at this. This is like a mountain, right? The shape of the mountain. So this is called pictograph. So kanji originated as pictographs, and some of the characteristics still remain their pictorial qualities. So for example, look at this picture in the orange square. So yama developed from this picture. Also look at this. Dai actually developed from this pictograph. That's how kanji developed for a long time. The meaning of this kanji is of course mountain, and bushu, radical, is also yama, mountain. Kunyomi is yama, onyomi is san or zan. So onyomi is Chinese reading, and kunyomi is Japanese reading. Let me give you some examples. So yama is pretty simple, right? Yama. Then Fujisan. Fujisan means Mount Fuji.Fuji is actually the name of the place, Fujisan, Fujisan. Then here, san, right? San is used. But depending on the name of the mountain, we sometimes read zan instead of san. So it depends on each mountain. Okay, the next one is kazan. Kazan. This kanji is fire, fire. So fire mountain, which is volcano. Okay, kazan. Then this kanji, yama, is very typical for name, person's name, family name. Yamamoto-san, Yamamoto-san, the Mr. Yamamoto. San here is used as an honorific title, and kun is also one of the honorific titles. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, this is also a pictograph. It's like a river, right? River. That's why kawa. 1, 2, and 3. Very simple. Okay, very straightforward. The meaning of it, of course, river, and then bushu is kawa. Okay, so this is actually a pictograph. Okay, pictograph. And then kunyomi is kawa, gawa, depending on the word before this. Okay, so for example, Sumidagawa, we say gawa. Sumidagawa is the river, it's a very famous river in Japan, in Tokyo, and where you can see a lot of fireworks in summer festival. Now, onyomi is san or sen. Look at examples. Kawa is very simple, right? Easy. Next one. Sento Lawrence Gawa. This is Gawa, right? Gawa. Okay. Sento Lawrence Gawa. It's katakana. And then Ogawa. So Ogawa, the first letter is small. This means small. So small river or stream. Then this first kanji is sometimes read o and sometimes read ko. Okay, o or ko. So keep in mind, for this combination, we read ogawa, ogawa. Okay? では次に行きましょう。Okay, so this is ta. Okay, 1. Then this is 2. 1. Okay, so this is the second stroke. 2. Then third one, from top to down, third, and then fourth, 4, and then go. So 5 strokes altogether. The meaning is rice field. Okay, bushu is ta here, so rice. Kunyomi is ta and da. Onyomi is tan or den. Okay, so look at examples. Tambo, this is ta, right? So tambo means paddy field or farm. Okay, and Yamada-san, this is also one of the very famous family name in Japan, Yamada-san. And again, san is one of the honorific titles in Japan. And we can say kun as well, kun. Okay, san or kun. We sometimes say Yamada-san for girls, Yamada-kun for boys. Okay. Okay, the last example is suiden, suiden. So sui, the first letter means water. Okay. That's why 水田 is water field, paddy field. This is the difference between 水田 and 田んぼ. Okay? And the 水, this one is actually Wednesday. 水曜日. 水曜日. Okay, I can write here. 水 I'm sorry for terrible writing, but 水曜日 is Wednesday. Then 水, if you write kanji, is this one. 水曜日. 水曜日. Wednesday. Okay, the next one. It's very simple, right? Two strokes. One is here, and then two. Okay. Some people recognize that this one is person, and this one is another person. So people are usually regarded, they support each other. That's why these two people represent person. So meaning is person, of course. Bushu radical is hito, person, hito. So kunyomi, as I mentioned, hito, or you can say ri. So ri, when you count person like this, one person is hitori, ri here, right? Two people, futari, ri here, right? And onyomi is nin or jin. For example, if you count 3 people, 3人, 3人. If you count more than 3 people, 4 people is 4人, 5 people is 5人, right? So 4人, 4人, and then 5, 5人, like that. We did learn numbers, right? So just put 4人, 5人, 6人, 7人, okay? Look at different examples. Here you have Jin, right? So 日本人 means Japanese people. カナダ人 means Canadian people. Okay? 日本人、カナダ人. When you write English in Japanese, you should write in katakana, like Canada, Canada. Okay? And as I said here, hitori, one person, futari, two people, 三人, three people. Okay? で、あの人、あの represents that. So, あの人 is that person, that person. Okay? Today we learned 4 kanjis. Here, yama, kawa, ta, or den, hito. Okay? So all of them are very important. I'm going to put the link of this handout so you can just download it and then practice a lot. Okay? And if you have questions, just let me know anytime. それでは今日もお疲れ様でした。また次回お会いしましょう。さようなら。Have a good day. またね。